Okay, I think all are looking for SAP material management course only, I think. Okay, then let me start. I cannot ask individual one by one, what exactly your education. I think everyone are okay, freshers and as well as experienced people is also there here. Okay, freshers and as well as experienced people. Now this course is related to freshers also it will be helpful, and who are going to migrate their experience from other domains to the SAP. This course will be helpful for you. Now let me start with the what exactly the SAP. Anybody any is having any idea about SAP? What is ERP? Any idea? Anybody? Let me start with the ERP. Okay, ERP. What is ERP? Anybody? ERP means enterprise
Resource planning.
resources planning. Planning. What is enterprise? What is resources? What is planning? What is enterprise? What is resources? What is planning? Okay, sorry. I'll introduce myself. Okay, so here somebody. Okay, session is started. I started late here. Okay, you are going to the office. Okay, no problem. It depends upon your availability. Okay, who needs this demo? Okay, they can join here. They can enter here. Myself Bala Gangadhar. I have 18 years of experience in SAP industry. I started my career as a SAP consultant, SAP technical consultant. Like ABAP, I started. Okay, okay. I worked with the ABAP. Okay, after that I migrated with the integration consultant, like okay, finance and integrations. Okay, material management integrations, so master data governance integrations. Like these are all the different modules. Okay, with the integration consultant, I worked on that. Now I'm into the S4 HANA consultant. Okay, S4 HANA integration consultant. Okay, in this almost I started my career from this S4 HANA itself. Database I started in 2011, but S4 HANA started in 2015 March onwards. See that March onwards. But my project is started in 2017. That one. 2000, I'm into this particular S4 HANA with this particular year. But because 2017 and 18, 19, this is a transition phase, and most of the projects are coming for S4 HANA. And 2019 onwards, most of the projects is coming for India. So 2019. But before also it was there, but very less projects before. Now most of the projects are coming from S4 HANA from 2019 onwards. Then that's what I'm into right now with the S4 HANA with the Fiori. Okay, with the Fiori concepts, I'm working with this particular Fiori. That concept name is okay. Let me discuss first what is ERP, what is SAP. Okay, what is ERP? What is ERP? What? Enterprise resources. Enterprise is not what a company. Enterprise is not what a company or organization. Organization. Okay, what are the resources are there? Means we are going to start the enterprise. What are the resources? If we are going to start with the company, what are the resources are there? Okay, anybody?
Like material.
Okay.
Manpower.
Okay, manpower.
Machines.
Machines.
Services.
Service. Service is not material. Okay, that is also different resource. Okay, that is for hospital industries or okay, like any other not only this one, even repair also service. Okay, that is also fine. Services.
Labor, etc.
Okay, yeah, missionaries. Okay, missionaries and employees means men only. Okay, then what about the accounting? What about accounting? Accounting means money.
Yes.
Okay, money. Without money, you cannot start the organization. Give 1 minute. I'm connecting a dashboard.
Ishwar, could you please turn off your video?
Just give 1 minute. I'm just connecting the dashboard. Okay. Let me this button. Okay, this is okay, money. Let me see to this one. So let me start whiteboard. The Zoom chart is giving some issue. This is not done. Minimizing. I don't know why. Okay. This is a whiteboard. See, let me write it. Okay. ERP. Okay. Enterprise. Okay. Resources. Okay. Planning. Okay. Planning. Okay. Enterprise is nothing but a company or industry. Okay. Resources means money is one resource, material is one resources, machines, okay, manpower, employees, and services. There are different types of resources. Now, who will who will plan this money? Like account payable, account receivables, general ledgers, assets related things. Who will monitor? It's nothing but all the transaction, like business transaction, like credit entry, debit entry. This all credit data, debit data. Who will monitor this? All the data in any industry.
Account departments.
Accounting related, nothing but all the credit related informations, debit related informations, like business transactions related informations. There are different types of concepts are there: account payable, account receivables, assets, okay, like salaries. There are different types of concepts. These all monitored by the FICO consultant, finance and controlling consultant. Next, in any organization, any okay, this is material related information. Material means how much we need for the particular plant. Okay, nothing but a purchasing related data, purchase related informations, how much we require, how much we have to store in storage. Okay, that we can call, this is we can call P2P. How much we have to store it, that we can call warehouse management. Okay, how much we have to issue, okay, that we can call transferring. Okay, goods issue or GR or whatever it is. There are different types of. So all this, okay, monitored by the MM consultant and as well as warehouse management consultant and as well as the production planning consultant. Next, machines means how many hours this machine should work. Okay, how many hours? Okay, I said 8 hours is working. Means who is working in this 8 hours? Means which employee is working. What exactly this particular working hours means how many, okay, is it 24 by 7 is a particular machine is working? What exactly the product output? Okay, product output is this product means one machine is working 24 by 7. That other machine as a, other machine is working other machine is working 16 hours. Okay, 16 hours. What exactly the product output means how many employees are working in each shift? This all shift related information with the machines related informations. Okay, plant maintenance and plant control people will calculate. And which shift and what exactly is OT related information. Okay, shift related informations like related all the informations like login related data, logout data. Is this Indian employee or US employee? What about night shift allowances? These all data maintained by the HR team. Okay, HR team. Like that, for each and every, say, like resources, okay, related information. Okay, we are going to maintain in one particular module service. There are different types of services are there. Okay, service modules are separate modules are there. Like under SAP MM, we have the service master data is there. That is separate concept. Even MM is also there and separate modules also there. This is okay service master data. Now, if you observe that this particular ERP means okay ERP is the okay ERP means ERP is to maintain the data. Okay, this is what is the purpose of this ERP? This is to maintain the data in database. To maintain. Which data you are going to maintain? Finance related data you are going to maintain. Material management, warehouse management data you are going to maintain. Okay. PP related data you are going to maintain. Any HR related informations, any service related informations, all the data will maintain in one particular place. Okay, that particular place I am calling, that particular software I am calling ERP. The main aim of that particular ERP is we are going to maintain different types of data, that all will maintain in one software. That software we can call ERP software. Okay, ERP software. What is the use? Okay, you will maintain. What is the use? To integrate the data. To integrate the data. So what is the use of ERP? To integrate the data. What is the meaning of integrate? Anybody? What is the meaning of integrate? Anybody?
It's connecting to the another systems.
Another system means okay. This is I am going to maintain okay with the same data only, same data like finance data. I am going to maintain the same system only, same ERP software. MM also same software. That is also correct.
But we can
But first,
we can see the info data what is that module is doing.
exactly.
Yeah.
See now, okay. So whatever you you told that is perfect, correct answer. But that I'm not talking about the different databases. Now I'm talking about only one product. Like example, okay, one software, ERP software. I'm not connecting to the other. Like example, ERP to the Excel sheet. That is also integrated. But now I'm giving here FICO. FICO one module that is in this software only I'm using. MM is another module, this software only. Integrate means, like example, material management. Here I am purchasing. Here I am purchasing. Okay, purchase. Like example, some material is 100 kg I am purchasing with the price of 100 rupees. Okay, 100 rupees. This is a material price and material quantity I maintained here. What exactly the invoice amount here? Let's consider zero tax invoice amount. What exactly invoice amount? 100 kg multiplied by 100 rupees. What is the total amount?
10,000.
What is the total amount?
10,000.
10,000 amount. 10,000 INR. 10,000 INR is nothing but a logistic invoice verification. Means amount. Invoice amount. This invoice amount we are going to maintain here in material management and the logistic invoice. But that invoice amount will be replicated in a finance module. FI module we can call. Here also we have the invoice. Means we have to maintain the invoice here. What is the purpose? That invoice I can call vendor invoice here. Okay, vendor invoice. The same data should be replicated in FICO. Okay, FICO. And based on this FICO, because we purchased some vendor, this vendor is a third party. Vendor is a third party. For him, we have to pay, company should pay to the 10,000 rupees. Okay, he already generated the invoice. Okay, already generated the invoice. Then this invoice amount is updated in FICO and as well as MM. Now, this payment we have to clear. That is we can call vendor payment. That we can call vendor payment. This vendor payment, how much we are going to clear?
10,000.
10,000. Okay, we are going to clear this particular payment. This is we can call vendor payment. Now, here as a user, as a developer, first we have to create this scenario, purchasing scenario. That is we can call purchasing. That or we can call procurement. Okay, procurement. To whom? Purchasing to FI. FI is nothing but a payment. Payment. This cycle we can call P2P cycle. Okay, P2P. Procurement to payment. But that is integration only. No? P means purchasing. Payment means FICO. Means both data, MM related data and FI data, you are going to maintain in one system. That system I am calling database. That system only we can call ERP system. This is the exact definition for ERP. Okay, exact definition for ERP is a software. Okay, to maintain different data in one particular place. That particular place I am calling database. What is the purpose of this particular data means to integrate the different models. To integrate the different model. What exactly different model means? Just I had given here one simple exercise, but there are other data also there. Let me discuss now. Take another scenario, sales and distribution scenario. Another one. Here customers will be there. Here customers will be there. This is I can call sales and distribution. Customers will purchase the good. Customer will purchase the material from the company. Example, this is so okay, company. Company is having FI department. Company is having sales department. Customers will, whenever they purchase the goods, for customers will send one invoice. That is we can call customer invoice. Customer invoice. Customer will pay the amount to the where? This is customer incoming payment. Means receiving the payment from the customer. Okay, this is another module. FICO with the SD with the FICO. This is whatever I discussed with the MM with the FICO. Like that, this type of data will maintain on one place. That particular place we are calling ERP. Okay, ERP. Okay, under that ERP, there are so many products we have. Those all we can call ERP products. Okay, SAP is the one ERP product. Oracle is the one ERP product. PeopleSoft is the one ERP product. Okay, Ramco.
Starting
okay, Ramco. Navigen. Okay, JD Edwards. There are so many. May I know this?
Nagendra, please mute yourself.
Please mute it. Somebody, I think Mamata. Sorry, not Mamata. Okay. Okay, JD Edwards. These are all the physical ERP products. Whatever I have written here, these are all the physical ERP products. There are other products also we have. Those products we can call cloud ERP products also we have. Anybody? What is meaning of cloud ERP? Anybody? Physical ERP I have written here all the modules. But SAP also we have the cloud. In SAP that is also SAP cloud is there. Then Oracle also we have the cloud. Okay, Oracle also we have the cloud. Other modules also we have like a Workday and Infor. These are all the cloud modules. But you are going to learn with the SAP, with the physical, with the S4 HANA MM with the S4 HANA. That module, our module name is under SAP S4 HANA MM with the Fieri. Means all the students will learn only up to this particular only. But I am giving for my student with the Fieri testing, Fieri configuration and Fieri, okay, end user. Okay, procedure also I am going to give you clearly with all these particular Fieri concepts also. What is Fieri? I will discuss later. First, see this concept. Okay, what is exactly this physical? What is cloud? Anybody? Difference here? Anybody is having any idea about physical ERP product and cloud ERP product? Physical means software will be installed in office premises. Software will be installed in office premises. Means here we need separate network room we required, network team we required, separate authorizations will be created for our employees, all the ERP product that we can call physical. Physical means little bit costly compared to the cloud. What about cloud? Cloud means They no need any software here. Just use here web link.
Web link.
Just use web link. Let me show that web link. Okay, what is physical, what is cloud, both I am going to show. Okay, this is my server. Okay, not this one. Okay, let me log in the server. Okay, this is the login. This is a physical software example. Okay, this is a physical software. Okay. Now, here if I want to create vendor or supplier or business partner or customer or employee, SAP is provided one code called BP. Okay, code called BP, business partner I can call. If I enter the code, see now, business partner, I can create it here. I can maintain the organization. Under organization, I can create here. If I need vendor, I'll select here vendor related information. Okay, if I created vendor. Okay, or vendor related information, I'll select it. In FI, if I want, I will use this code. If MM, if I want vendor, I will use this code. These are all we can call roles. If I need same code for the customer, FLCU, I can use it. Okay, FLCU. That is the customer. With the same data, same customer data or vendor data, okay, SAP is provided cloud also. But that cloud, I'm not calling cloud in this particular scenario. I'm calling Fieri screen. Okay, if I click here my login, same screen. This is GUI based, graphical user interface based. Okay, now I'm going to log in my screen through web link. Through web link. Let me enter here S23. Okay. This nobody will specify in the students' resumes, even experienced candidates, even okay, 10 years of 7 years of experienced candidates also they don't have the in resume. There this SAP Fieri points you can check and you can check in Naukri and Google and where it is LinkedIn also. Nobody is going to specify that particular Fieri related points. Okay, 1 second. They are not updated because configuration they don't know. Okay, this one. Okay, see now this is a cloud. Okay, this is a one web link, Fieri link. It is opened through Fieri link. Same SAP screen only. Same SAP screen. Now I am going to open with the okay through apps. I am going to open. This is app based. Okay, one app for one particular software. Okay. I think this option. I don't know why this option not coming. Okay. Now, see now, same business partner, I can open by using a web link. Okay, web link. Okay, web link. Okay, here, home screen, home page. This is the one app name, maintain business partner app. If I click here, maintain business app, okay, maintain business app. You see now, whatever the organization I can create it by using web link. Whatever the business organization I can create as here, create organization. This is we can deliver to the users through mobiles also you can deliver it, through tablet also you can deliver it, through laptop, through desktop, means any type of form, electronic devices. They can create their customers, employees, they can create their stock data, they can see their stock data by using this type of apps. Those apps we can call Fieri apps. Okay, this type of link only SAP will provide it. If SAP will provide this link, that we can call cloud software. If SAP is providing physically this type of login screen, okay, then using this login screen, using your credentials, if you log in these credentials, that we can call physical software. Okay, physical software. That is the difference between physical product and cloud product. I told you already cloud product advantages. Cloud product advantages mainly, okay, we can access these cloud applications using mobiles and as well as tablets and laptops and desktops. But whatever up to now, like up to 2020-21, okay, most of the clients they used to work on only GUI based framework. Now in SAP we are going to use here SAP Fiori based concept. Now our course is designed, okay, whatever our course is designed in this particular our institute, okay, with the Fiori concepts also I am providing for the student with the free same cost only. We are not charging any extra amount for this particular Fiori. The same
Sir,
SAP HANA
excuse
MM
me.
with the Fiori. Yeah,
So
ask
now
me.
ongoing classes we are going with theory or physical?
Okay, theory also compulsory theory. If it is without theory, okay, there
Okay.
no SAP HANA. Means my classes means compulsory with theory.
Theory means it's a cloud based.
No, theory. That is only I told you two options here. Meaning,
Okay.
if you are already this year now, this is a in okay. My this is already installed with web link configuration. I have done. That's why this is physical only.
Mhm.
If I don't have this access, then if I use only web link with my screen, that we can call cloud. This is theory with the physical.
Okay.
But okay, we have the okay different types of applications. Let me show that applications. This is SAP provided okay library. This we can call Fiori apps library. Which app we are going to use SAP only will decide it. Okay. Like example XK01 vendor master data. If I enter vendor master data, SAP is provided only this latest application in cloud only. See now, you can see now. This is the latest application only cloud. Meaning if who are going to use the cloud, okay, for them this application they will provide it, this application. But I have the same XK01 in the public also, okay, private also, and as well as on premise. See now how many are there? Can you see now here same application, private cloud and on premise cloud and public cloud. We have three types of products. Okay, three types of products. Okay, private cloud is there, means on cloud itself we have the two types once again, private to public. Okay, in depth if I go, like most of the students are will be different types of students are there. That's what in depth I am not giving right now. If still anybody needs this about cloud related, I will give you separate points in coming sessions. But just outline is cloud means just web link only. Okay, on premise means my application will this is my whatever application I have shown you this app, this is on premise application. On premise means my software is installed in my system. My system is my remote desktop system. I can use it here only this one. Okay, I can use it here only this particular system only. That we can call on premise system. If this point is clear now, somebody ask me.
Yes, yes.
Okay, meaning even cloud also there, but cloud very less companies are using cloud because of the security related relations. Okay, security related. What is security? We will discuss later. Okay, next about what exactly the S4 HANA and what about the this particular. Only 2 points I explained. In depth, if you want, I'll give later. In class, I will give you this particular in depth related. Okay, we are learning with the SAP physical only. Under SAP on premise, this is on premise application. On premises application. On premise. This on premise application. Under that, S is nothing but this is we can call one business suite. Okay, SAP is developed one business suite. Okay, 4 is nothing but a fourth generation. Okay, fourth generation. HANA is nothing but a high performance, high performance analytical appliances. Analytical appliances. This is the acronym for HANA. Okay, HANA. What is HANA? All these points I will cover. Okay, now only let's see this particular. Okay, under that, MM is nothing but a material management. In industry, we are calling the same name called material management. Same name we can call sourcing and procurement. Same name we are calling sourcing and procurement. This point even, okay, who are going to specify the resumes, they are not going to specify in their resumes also. They are learning SAP MM. The finally, if I see that resumes, if I check that resumes, there is no word called sourcing and procurement. Now latest name called that is sourcing and procurement. Everybody called MM. That MM also old MM they are going to specify that is ECC MM. If you are going to specify experience on ECC, no calls. Nobody will select that your resume itself. Okay. Now, whatever the course we are learning, that name called MM, or we can call P2P cycle, or purchasing to procurement, or procurement to payment cycle, whatever it is. Okay. These all we are learning on HANA database. These all names we can call HANA database. And what is a Fieri is nothing but a Fieri is the app. Fieri is the web apps. Okay, web apps. Okay, web apps. Okay, these web apps, say how it will work, I'll show you. Like example. Okay, example, in SAP, we have the two types of screens. One is the GUI screen. Another one is web screen. Okay, web screen. Under GUI screen, if I want to create any material, MM01, I can use the code. This is the code. But the same code, SAP is developed one app. MM01 app is developed. This is not code. This is app. If you use this app I'm calling Fieri. This is through HTML. It will work. Coding we don't want. Just example. This app will work. Now same in GUI screen. If I use BP is the code for vendor. Same app I can use here. That name itself changed here. Maintain business partner app. Like that, names has been changed in this particular app names. Means user can work either GUI based screens they can work out. Either GUI based. If user wants GUI, if they are using laptop and desktop, they can use this one. If they are using this particular web link, Fieri app link, means they can use their screens on mobile. The same vendor I can create, through mobiles, through laptop, through tab, through desktop. This is the advantage of Fieri apps. The advantage of Fieri. This point is clear now. What is S4 HANA? S4 HANA means business. S means business suite. We can call suite. 4 means fourth generation. HANA means high performance analytical. I have to discuss more points about HANA right now. Why means HANA related interview questions they will ask because latest database. In SAP right now we have two types of databases. Okay, one is old version. So many students are learning and so many they updated their resumes on ECC related. They are not getting calls. They are migrating to the HANA. This SAP ECC is outdating by 2027. Now we are going to learn with our course is based on S4 HANA only. S4 HANA is the 2015 is they developed this particular product, but most of the after Corona only it is going to implement most of the companies, and still 80% of the companies are not implemented S4 HANA. Still 80% of the companies. Okay, means you can see the scope. Almost 4 lakh customers are there for SAP. Okay, for all 4 lakh customers, still they did not implement S4 HANA. That's what huge openings for the S4 HANA only. Okay, S4 HANA and as well as cloud products also they are getting the huge openings. Now, okay, now I have to give here more points about this one. Why S4 HANA is going to huge means because all companies they had given here 2027 is the last date. They already some companies already migration projects has already started. For migration projects also our work is needed. That's what S4 HANA openings. So you check it in LinkedIn or Naukri or any other different types of website. You can see their postings also. Okay, more openings on S4 HANA MM or sourcing and procurement. You will see here. Okay, you will see here. Now our course is designed on S4 HANA MM with the latest one with the Fieri. Okay, Fieri. That is the first point. Next, second point. Okay, this particular. Okay, one second. One second. This S4 HANA, we have two options. One is HANA is the one name, separate name is there. S4 HANA is there, one more separate name. These are all the two interview questions. Most of the time, even interviewer also can ask compulsory, but no, like 5 years of experience and 6 years of experience candidate also not going to explain these differences here. Here, HANA is a nothing but a database. This is technical. HANA is a database. Nobody is explaining in interviews. What is a HANA? What is S4 HANA if I explain? S4 HANA is nothing but an app. Like S4 HANA MMS, this is one app, application. This is one application. S4 HANA Finance, this is one application. Application is different. HANA is the different. HANA is nothing but a only storage, data storage. This is database. It is developed in 2011 only. Database developed in 2011. This is developed by SAP owned database. This is SAP owned. This SAP company, they developed this one. S4 HANA, they developed for performance of the reports purpose, performance purpose, they developed their own app. That app name only S4 HANA. That is the two differences. In-depth points I am going to give now. Let's see. Any doubt here about HANA, S4 HANA here? HANA and S4 HANA?
S4 HANA, when it was released?
S4 HANA is released in 2015 March.
Okay.
March month. Okay, from March month onwards, they are releasing every year. 2016.
This is also owned by same
SAP. SAP.
Okay.
This is also SAP product only.
Okay.
Like that, every year three products they are releasing. 2017 Service Pack 1, 2017 Service Pack 2, like that. Just now I have shown you one web link. I think you might observe here. Let me show you. This is a Fiori app library. You can see now what are the updates are there. All updates in this particular our system only. Okay, under master data. Now check now. From
Sir,
2000 now. Okay, from 2000. One second. Let me show for. Let me complete. No, this
Okay.
point. After that, I'll ask. See now, from 2000, I told you 2015 March. See now, 2016 one version. Service Pack 1, Service Pack 2. Check now all the version names. 17, 7 Service Pack 1, Service Pack 2, Service Pack. What exactly this also they don't know. Trainers only. Okay, trainers only. Because technical guys only they knew it this one. That's what as a techno-functional consultant, I am going to provide for my students this all application related information. What are the changes happen? That directly I'll show in website only. Those particular website configurations only will work in this particular course. Okay, course. What are the changes happened in this latest one? What are the application? These are all the almost each and every year three versions are released. All this, okay, we will see that particular differences later. Okay, later. But right now, what I told you, this is 2015 is released, but still they are every year they are releasing this one. Right now we are working on 2023 module only. Okay, 2025 they released all the three modules, but many companies are not migrated. 2024 is not there. Okay, 2000. Many companies are still not migrated to 2025. Many companies are working with the 2023 and 2023, 22. These are all the versions. Most of the companies in real time. Okay, most of the companies in real time. Now ask me.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Who is this?
Sir. Sir, I am Satish.
Satish, tell me, Satish.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ప్రెసెంట్ ఫ్రెషర్ గా ఉన్న వాళ్ళు S4 HANA తీసుకుంటే బెటరా లేదంటే ఫికో ఐ మీన్
ECC తీసుకుంటే బెటర్ అంటావు.
ఎస్ సార్
అంతేనా? చూడు, నువ్వు ఇల్లు కడతావు, ఓల్డ్ మోడల్ కట్టుకుంటావు, న్యూ మోడల్ కట్టుకుంటావా?
న్యూ మోడలే
మరి. ఓకే, S4 HANA అంటే అందరు మీకు రాంగ్ గైడెన్స్ ఇచ్చేది ఎట్లా ఇస్తారంటే మీన్స్ సార్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఫస్ట్ ECC, దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గో ఫర్ దిస్. I'm going to teach you from basic login onwards. I'm going to teach you what is SAP MM, what is S4 HANA MM, everything I'm going to teach you. Then what is the difference there? Those differences also I'm going to teach you clearly. In ECC, these are all the changes happened. In S4 HANA, these are all the changes happened. These are the changes you have to explain in ECC version related. I am going to provide in this course only. Okay, maybe it is a wrong guidance based on the institutes. You have to verify it. Even after 10-15 classes also you can check that my classes. Okay, that okay, same ECC related also it will be cover those particular points with advanced version. Theory nobody, you just attend anywhere in the world, just come back. If they are going to show the direct theory
Sir.
application in their demo, okay, demo you will come to know. You will come to know because nobody don't open first theory app. They don't know how to open. Okay,
Okay,
they
okay,
don't
sir.
know how to open. That's what for freshers also I'm giving each and every point for who are going to show their experience minimum 4 to 8 years, 5 years. Okay, those guys also I'll teach you same concept. By the end of the course, the same knowledge you will get it. Even how exactly experienced candidate they will get it knowledge. This is based on practice. They will get the proper idea. If they won't practice
Okay, sir.
properly, okay, by the end of the course, even if you are ECC or even if it is S4 HANA or theory, whatever it is, okay, you won't get any subject because this is based on your 100% practice. Minimum 2 times, okay, maximum 5 times. Who will practice minimum 2 times? They will get at least, okay, they will explain at least what exactly the plant, what is purchasing, what is procurement cycle, what is P2P cycle, okay, what is goods receipt, what is GR, what is GI, what is okay, invoices, what is subcontracting. This type of all anywhere in the MM and normal ECC MM and S4 HANA same. The way of transactions will be used with a different. Like these type of transactions will be used. Once again, you have to put okay, money in on ECC. Then once again, you have to learn for the S4 HANA. If you have good money and time, no problem, learn your wish. But my suggestion, it is not required for my course. Okay, who are going to learn with particular one, I'll teach you all the differences, those particular differences also in ECC related. If you practice daily, you will become with S4 HANA with the SAP Fairy Consultant compulsory. Compulsory.
Sir,
Okay, I will
total,
suggest you. Suggest.
sir,
Ah,
total how
Okay.
many months
Thank
it
you,
will
sir.
take?
see now, daily, okay, Monday to Saturday will be classes. Okay, Monday to
Okay,
Saturday, Monday to Friday, what exactly I'll plan for the daily, okay,
okay,
1 hour session. And Saturday, whatever the, okay, I'm going to teach you with practical oriented, I'm going to give you, okay, practical oriented tests. Test means it's not test. This is a project oriented testing for freshers and experienced. Everyone should work. In batch, if it is freshers also will join, experienced also, like end user experience, in other batch I have, okay, 15 years of end user candidate is there. SAP MM. He is also practicing like that. Saturday and Sunday. If you want practice on Sundays also, I'll give the scenario. But Saturday only, I need your time. Saturday, this is only project oriented classes. I will give you those scenarios. Those scenarios we have to work out. If some candidates is having any doubt, or maybe if I miss any 1 or 2 classes on weekdays, maybe because of now January is coming, I think January and some particular. Okay, if I miss that 1 or 2 classes, those classes I'll conduct
uh,
on Saturdays, okay,
okay.
Sundays.
Total how many months it will take to complete?
Okay, minimum 2 months. Okay, maximum 2.5 months.
Okay.
Okay, it's a
After
Sir,
that,
okay.
sir, per
will
డే
you
కి
give me the
ఎన్ని అవర్స్ ఉంటుంది సార్?
చెప్పండి
సారీ సార్.
ఒక్కొక్కరు.
సార్ అదే డేలో సారీ సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే
ఇప్పుడు డేలో ఏ టైమింగ్ లో ఉంటుంది సార్ క్లాసు? ఏ టైం నుంచి అంటే
8 to
మొత్తం
9, 8 to 9 ప్లాన్ చేస్తాం.
మార్నింగ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్?
మార్నింగ్ మార్నింగ్
మార్నింగ్ సార్?
మార్నింగ్ 8 to 9 ప్లాన్ చేస్తాం. ఎందుకంటే అందరూ
అదే షెడ్యూల్ ఉందా సార్?
అదే షెడ్యూల్ చేస్తాం.
ఓకే.
ఒకవేళ మీకు తర్వాత ఒకవేళ సార్ నాకు కొద్దిగా టైట్ గా ఉందంటే కనుక మీరు ఆఫ్టర్ సమ్ ఐ థింక్ మేబీ డిఫరెంట్ లాంగ్వేజ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ హియర్, దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ విల్ డిస్కస్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ సమ్ డేస్, ఓకే, వీ హావ్ parallel, okay, one more batch is going to run, means sir I need like fast, then I will put it in these particular students in 7 a.m. batch also. That is one more is running employees batch, that is all our employees are in that batch, all our employees. Okay, in that batch also you can attend it. Okay, after completion of this 10 days classes, you can attend in parallelly in that batch also. It depends upon, okay, who wants to apply their job in January itself. Okay, then those type of candidates they can join in. Okay, after 15 days, after 10 days or 15 days, they can join in that batch. That is 7 a.m. batch. It is already started. Already they are
okay.
already completed. Material master data and vendor master data completed. But if who needs immediate, okay, like migrations after 1 month, okay, those guys also can attend parallelly this particular sessions parallelly.
Sir,
So
what
then
about
I'll
the
complete it.
real time projects after
Yeah.
completing the
Okay, that's
course?
it now. These all, okay, that now directly I'm going to show the scenario itself. This scenario, even if I explain in for freshers or experienced persons, scenario is same in real time. Meaning, if you
Okay.
want to create any vendor, the rules will be same as it is in real time also. But here, I will create it one domestic vendor if I create for your practical purpose. Example, if I want to create one vendor, FLVN00, if I create one vendor, this vendor I will create it. Okay, vendor I will create it. This vendor name I will create as a domestic vendor. And one more vendor I will create it foreign vendor. But in real time, you may create it with a different vendors. Like example, okay, domestic vendor. Okay, let me write it clearly. Just give one second. Okay, different types of vendors. Domestic vendor. Okay, foreign vendor. Okay, foreign vendor. Okay, foreign vendor. Next. Okay, service vendor. Okay, service vendor. Next, one-time vendor. Okay, one-time vendor. Goods supplier vendor. Goods supplier vendor. Invoice presented by vendor. Invoice presented by vendor. Now, in classroom, okay, I'll teach you one or two only because if I teach all same thing, same thing, it will take 1 hour. Okay, then who will lose money? Who will lose time? So
That's
for
okay,
that,
sir.
in
If you
classroom,
explain the domestic vendor and remaining
I'll
all we will
explain the one or
practice.
two. I will give you
Yeah.
scenarios.
Yes.
Okay, if you practice like that, that is only real-time project.
Okay.
Okay, the
Yeah.
final aim of this course, that's why I told you, Saturday is mainly for, okay, your practical purpose I am giving. Okay, Saturday.
Okay.
If still some student is having any doubt, they can share their screen and through WhatsApp also I'm supporting up to 10:30, night 10:30 or 11 o'clock. Even yesterday night also one student is called me around 11:15. Okay, 11:15. He asked me like, sir, I got a call, so and so particular client. Okay, this client, sir, can you support? See now, why I have to attend that one? Because maybe I thought like some other
సార్
issue. But he asked some other. Yeah.
సార్ సారీ ఫర్ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ సార్. ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ అయిన తర్వాత ఏమైనా మెటీరియల్ ప్రొవైడ్ ఏమైనా ఇస్తా ఉంటుందా సార్?
ఇప్పుడు నీకు మెటీరియల్ అనేది కాదు. నేను ప్రతి ఒక్కటి మీ చేతనే చేపిస్తాను, మీ చేతనే రాపిస్తాను, మీ చేతనే ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ కూడా చేపిస్తాను. మీకు ఆల్రెడీ మీకు క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా ఆల్రెడీ తయారు చేసి పెట్టేసినాను మీకు. అంటే మీరు మీరు మళ్ళీ కొత్తగా మీరు ఆ మెటీరియల్ వేరే మెటీరియల్ చదవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ క్వశ్చన్ ఓకే అరౌండ్ 200 క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని దీంట్లోనే ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఫ్రెషర్స్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఎనఫ్, మోర్ దాన్ ఎనఫ్. For experienced persons, what is P2P cycle? Just now I discussed what is
Yeah.
P2P cycle. You can see that, okay, what is exactly the meaning of source, requirement, PO, goods receipt. And it means technical I have written here, these are all, but I discussed with other way. Okay, these are the technical points. They're all technical.
Okay.
What is master data? What is transactional data? Okay, what exactly the meaning of MM01? What type of tables we have? Okay, what type of applications we are working? What is meaning of leading zeros? Okay, what is meaning of lexical? These all are technical related points. Almost 30 pages already maintained here. Each and every point is already ఇక్కడే ఉంటుంది అనమాట ఈ మెటీరియల్
Sir,
రిలేటెడ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్.
SAP MM is all about theoretical only.
నో నో
There
నో
is
నో నో నో
Not about
100%
theoretical.
ప్రాక్టికల్. అవన్నీ
Acha.
క్వశ్చన్స్ అతను అడుగుతున్నాడు అనమాట. మెటీరియల్ ఏమైనా ఇస్తారంటే ఆల్రెడీ క్వశ్చన్స్ లాగా ఆల్రెడీ చేసినాను. మీకు
Okay.
తర్వాత మీకు రన్నింగ్
No,
నోట్స్ లాగా నేను ప్రతి
actually,
ఒక్కటి.
basically, I worked previously in Salesforce. It's all practical. Here
No,
I'm
this
not
is
saying.
all 99%. See now, if I won't show business partner how to create it, then what is the use of theoretical?
Okay.
If I won't create this particular customer master role, vendor master role, how we can understand how to create the vendor? Because 100% practical. Now, day fourth onwards, it will be practical oriented only.
Okay.
Only 3 classes will be what is ECP, what is ERP, all these particular points I will teach you.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Myself, Naresh, Gangadhar sir.
Yeah, sir. Yeah,
Hey,
sir.
hi.
Sir, you can explain the remaining. Yeah.
Yeah. So, guys, good morning, one and all. Thanks for joining. I'm Naresh from Sritech. I'm also working employee, having 10 plus years experience. Sritech into not only trainings, we are into consulting. After completion of this training and in between, we do have a client. We will prepare your resume. We will keep relevant experience on MM with S4HANA along with Fury apps. So the market S4HANA with Fury apps having huge demand. Whatever we have opportunities, we will provide you. Who are having gap, who are freshers, we are going to be provide you internships. We have a number of internships. There are a couple of companies are looking for interns, okay, and experienced people also. Based on my client requirement, we will prepare your resume. We'll keep relevant experience, whatever your previous work experience, based on your previous package, based on client expectation. So we will second negotiate and we will get the opportunities, okay. And apart from this, we do have an office in Hyderabad. If anybody wants to come and meet, please come and meet. We will assist you how we are going to be forward your profile, and you will get a chance to working people who already placed through my organization. Those people will come and those people will explain you scenario, and they will also show you their working environment, day-to-day activities, project, and everything will be on Saturdays, particular Saturdays, and we will arrange one or two every alternative week for that sessions, okay, at Saturday morning session, morning time. Apart from if you tomorrow also we have a demo session. If you have any doubts, you can connect tomorrow. We will show you remaining scenario. Okay. Thanks
Yeah.
joining, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Thanks.
Naresh.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.